Hello ladies and gentlemen and boys and girls out there in YouTube land. My name's Twist the Balloonman. Today I have a head on a stick, which means I'm going to be making another hat. This is going to be a 3 braided balloon hat. So you need 3 260s. I'm going to use shades of all one color here so you can see how I braid. If you don't know how to braid or you need a little bit more instruction, go to my channel, type in 3 balloon braid, and I will go with this in more detail. Now, you're going to inflate every single 260 and leave a 1 finger tail at the end. Like so. 1 finger, burp it, tie a knot. Grab your next balloon, rinse and repeat. Do exactly the same thing again. Blow it up. Leave a 1 finger tail, burp. Tie a knot and continue with the last one. Blow it up. It's a curly balloon. Make sure you have a 1 finger tail. There you go. And burp it. Tie a knot. Next, you want to tie all of these together. If you're good, you can just grab them all, measure them all against each other like that, close your whole finger down on them, your whole hand and your finger, and you basically twist them all together like this. Okay? Twist them all together like that. Make sure when you do this that one goes through the center of all the balloons to lock them all together, otherwise they'll untwist. If you don't want to do that, just measure off 1 bubble and another bubble, tie them together, 1 bubble, and then tie all those together, and then wrap them around, lock twist them. The next thing you want to do is very important. You want to make sure these are all the same size. So grab 2 balloons. See what you're dealing with. This pink one is not the same size as this one. This is the longest balloon. I need this one to be longer. So I'm going to grab it. I'm going to stretch it. Just run your hand up and down. It'll stretch the balloon. It's made it longer. See what you're dealing with the other pink balloon? Run it against the other ones. It's not long enough. Stretch it. See what you're dealing with. You actually made it longer. You want to do this, you want your balloons to be kind of the same length with this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it'll save you a lot of trouble when you're at the end of the braid and one of the balloons doesn't fit around any of the other balloons. So make sure they're all roughly the same length. You'll get used to measuring them and seeing how they fit. To braid, I'm going to start the light pink in the middle. You basically grab the left or the right balloon, whichever way you want to start, and you push it into the center. So, the dark pink balloon is going into the center. This we'll call the medium shade, goes into the center. The light pink goes into the center. The dark pink still goes into the center. So you're exchanging the middle balloon with the left and the right one every single time. Try it again. Dark pink goes into the center. Medium pink goes into the center. Now the light pink goes back into the center. The dark pink goes back into the center. And you rinse and you repeat. You walk your fingers and your hands up the balloon, carrying on, twisting in until you have no balloon left. You want these to be the same size as well. Makes it tidier and easier to work with. Twist them all around each other like this to make sure that this end doesn't untie. Grab one of those bubbles and push it in and out. That locks, twists it together. You now have the basic braid that I taught before. This basic braid should fit any size head. Sometimes you'll come across people with massive heads. You can't do anything about it. You can add a little piece of balloon around the back, but most people, this will fit. Grab it and you lock these two ends together. Just put them around. Like so. Looks like this. Make sure, again, that you lock twist all these together. There you have your basic braid hat. Very cool. Quick and easy. If you want to tidy this up, you can start pushing the nozzles and wrapping them around each other, making it look a little bit tidier and prettier, and arranging what's left into something that matches so they all look nice and neat at the end there. Like that. That is cool. If you're a perfectionist, you like it. It makes it look really neat and tidy. If you're in a line full of 100 children and you have to make one of these really quickly, I wouldn't worry about that last bit. It'll still look good because you're still dealing with the front here. People aren't going to be looking at the back. So there you go. Your basic 3-braid balloon hat. Bye guys. I hope you enjoy. See you soon.